Hi friends, this is Gayatri. Yes, today we are going to discuss about off adder and full adder. First of all, we see off adder. Off adder is the combinational circuit need two binary input and two binary output. The two variable designate the adjunct and addend bit. First of all, what does adjunct means? A quantity to which an addend is added. Addend. The output variable produce the sum and carry. The off adder can be implemented with an exclusive or and an AND gate. Input variable of adder is A and B. Output variable or S equal to sum, C equal to carry. Truth table of adder is carry is the outcome of AND operation. Sum is the outcome of XOR operation. The circuit diagram for of adder is here. The Boolean expression can be derived using K-map. Here 1 is the input which gives the output 1. So carry equal to A is 1 here. So put A. B is 1 here. So put B. So carry is the outcome of AND operation. For sum, 1 0 is the input which gives output 1. 0 1 is the input which gives output 1. So here A is equal to 1. So put here. Here B is 0. So put B bar plus here A is 0. So put A bar. Here B is 1. So put A. So put B. Component required and ICs. 2 input AND gate, 2 input XOR gate, IC trainer kit, patch code, all are at the quantity of 1. Now let's see demo. This is A, this is B. Take one AND gate and one XOR gate. Here the light bulb is there to show the output. If 0 0 is the input, sum equal to 0, carry is also 0. If 1 if 1 0 is the if 1 0 is the input, sum equal to 1 and carry equal to 0. If 0 1 is the input, sum equal to 1, carry is the 0. If both the inputs are 1, the sum is 0, the carry is 1. Now let's see full adder. Full adder is the combinational circuit that forms the arithmetic sum of input. It consists of 3 input and 2 output. A full adder is useful to add 3 bits at a time. In full adder, sum output will be taken from the XOR gate, carry output will be taken from the OR gate. Input variable are A, B, C, output variable S equal to sum, C equal to carry. Truth table of the full adder is here. Circuit diagram is here. The Boolean expression of the full adder is derived using K-map. Components required and IC. The components required and ICs are 2 input AND gate, 2 input XOR gate, 2 input OR gate, IC trainer kit, patch code, all are at the quantity of 1. Now let's B and C. Two XOR gates, two AND gate, one OR gate, two light bulb, Now another XOR gate and AND gate are connected using A and C. Now another XOR gate and AND gate are connected using previous XOR gate and C. Now both the input of AND gate is connected as the OR gate input. Now the bulb is connected. Now the circuit is constructed as per the truth table. We give the value to A, B and C. For example, I have given 0, 0, 1. The sum is 1 and the carry is 0. For example, I have given 1, 1, 1. The sum is also, the sum and carry both are 1. By this way, we giving the value and get the sum and the carry as the output. Thank you guys.